So let me show you how to factory reset your Windows PC or laptop. Now you can do this in case you have suspicion of malware or some virus in your computer, or maybe you want to sell your PC and you don't want any of your personal data or any of the apps you downloaded to be on the computer. So you can actually factory reset this. So simply go to the start button, select that, and then go to settings. Under settings, click on system right here. And then under system, you want to scroll down and look for recovery, this one right here. So tap on that. And then under recovery, you should see reset this PC. Click on that, or rather click on reset PC on the right hand side. And then you have two options. Do you want to keep your files or do you want to remove everything? Now, just to be on the safe side, especially if you're suspecting your computer to be having malware, just select remove everything and then wait. Select local reinstall, and then you can see this is going to remove apps and files. This is going to delete all files only from Windows Drive and reinstall Windows from this device. So go ahead and click on next and wait. It says this won't take long, so just be patient. And it's also going to reiterate exactly what resetting will do. Like I said, remove all personal files and user accounts from this PC, remove any changes made to settings, remove all apps and programs, reinstall Windows from this device. Okay, now this will take a while and your PC will restart. So once you decide, just go ahead and click on reset and just wait. So it's now currently preparing to restart. And there you go. So there's the restart process. So just wait until you see the next screen. So on this next screen, you can see it's still in the reset process. Now this is another restart. And now it's reinstalling Windows 11 from the computer itself, from the hard drive. And then yet another restart. And finally, the reset is complete. Now you can just go through the setup process by choosing your language and your region and stuff like that. But the factory reset process is complete and successful. It's going to land you back on this setup screen where you can now set up the phone afresh. You can set up the laptop or PC afresh. You can now start installing the apps you need to use. You can now sell it if you wanted to sell it. And now all the apps have now been removed. So that is basically how to reset or factory reset your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching and good luck.